Feeling stressed? Learn how to reduce anxiety in just 5 minutes with beginner-friendly meditation secrets. Watch the video now to discover your path to calm and relaxation. Now more than ever, it's important to take time out to relax your body and mind. With the current economy, it's not unusual that people would be more anxious and stressed than normal. Sometimes it can feel like you can't afford to waste a minute on something like relaxing. I know that seems like a logical conclusion, but I think the better question is, can you afford not to find some peaceful moments in your life right now? If you could find just 20 to 30 minutes a day to relax with a technique like meditation, you could significantly reduce your anxiety, panic attacks, and boost your drive and creativity during your working time. And getting started in meditation isn't as hard as many people believe. All you need to do is sit quietly and let your mind wind down. Too many times I think humans try to move the world by thinking at it. We feel like if we can just think hard enough, maybe we can change things. For right now, just let your normal, everyday thoughts go. Some people choose to sit in silence and try to quiet down their inner mind. You can do this if you feel more comfortable, but I found it to be too hard for beginners most of the time. Trying to force yourself to think of nothing is like trying not to let gravity get you down. I prefer to imagine a peaceful scene like lying on an empty beach. You can walk yourself through your own peaceful guided meditation. Go anywhere and do anything you want, so let your imagination go for a while. There is a common misconception that something is supposed to happen during meditation. People seem to think they're supposed to experience some religious experience. While I suppose that can happen, that's not the point of meditation, and trying to make something happen only distracts you and stresses you out even more. Don't expect any certain thing to come to you. Just let the meditation go where it wants without limiting your mind. If you can do this daily for even just 5 to 10 minutes, you'll notice a huge difference in your anxiety within a month or so. Most people also find that even though it starts out as a chore that takes up too much time, meditation actually becomes a ritual they wouldn't be without. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.